Xiaomi targets the upper mid-range with the new Redmi Turbo 5 and Turbo 5 Max. In China, Xiaomi introduces two models aiming for a balance of power and high autonomy, likely available later. Arrive worldwide under small brands, so please pay close attention. Let's begin with the Redmi Turbo 5 Max, which is priced at around $359. However, keep in mind that prices here differ from those over there, particularly since we are discussing prices originating from China. This model debuts a tail light called double ring turbine and a fiberglass finish for this top. Its screen is a 6.83-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution at 120C and 30,500 nits of brightness. It's a good screen, but not the most competitive on the market, though we don't need much more. The most impressive thing here is its 9,000 mAh battery with a 100 watts ultra-fast charging. We'll have to see, because this 100 watts charge gives me to understand that the battery is split into two cells, and when the battery is split in my test, it generally doesn't do very well in high-performance tasks, but in simpler tasks, it could give a very good autonomy. It features the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 processor, a new generation for excellent performance, with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The cameras include a 50 megapixels main sensor with optical stabilization and an 8 megapixels ultra-wide angle. Cameras aren't the main focus, high performance is prioritized. Conversely, the Redmi Turbo 5 in its standard version is priced at approximately $287. This device is more compact, featuring a 6.59-inch screen, yet it retains a brightness of 30,500 nits. In this instance, it introduces the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 chip, which will also be highly powerful, and its battery capacity is 7,560 mAh. Also, it comes with support for 100 watts of wired charging, and unlike the Max model, this one does include 27 watts of wireless charging. It's interesting because you might assume that the Max model would be more appealing with additional features, but in this case, the younger sibling has a little extra bonus on top. Its camera system is identical to the Max model, but its front camera goes up to 20 megapixels. Which I don't think will give that quality. They would probably look like photos of about 8 megapixels. Both models have the maximum IP69K resistance, so they are not afraid of water. Now tell me if you'd like to see Xiaomi launch these devices globally under the Poco brand.